Today I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin air filter on Toyota Venza. Now I buy from dealer because before I buy from AutoZone it doesn't fit alright, so I buy from a dealer. It's like 22,201. It's a one clip there, little clip there. See that? Yeah. See that? We just put it by the side. Now it's unlocked. See? Put motion. Move back the side. See, now it's come down. There's another thing. Just put the side. This is a lock. This is a lock. We just pull the side, unlock, because here's the one lock. See this one go up to here. So if you just pull back that one, this is the out cabin air filter. See? See, there's a one lock here and one lock there. Now there's two. Now just put the side. The same in here. There's a cabin air filter. Oh, it says, see the sign in the way up. Take the old one. See the old, the dirty stuffs on it. See how dirty it is. This a new. This the see the sign, the up sign. Take the up sign. Put it back. Put it back. It's also an upside. There's a little lock here. The both sides have the same lock. In the click side first, now there's a small lift here. Take out the lift. Then it's the lock here. Take the box, the lamp hold, and put the side back. The side down to low here. Yeah, I got it. Lock there. Then after just push back. That's it. After